Hello everyone, tie the hairs on the top like this and fix it. Now again make the plaits and join the hairs like this in the U shape and then follow the same process for the other side. Put the hair clutches like this. Now tie the hairs on the back by taking small section of the hairs, join all the hairs and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs on the top and then rotate it using this hair styling tool. After rotating the hairs, fix the hairs like this on the sides. Fix it properly. Now after that, take the hairs on the back again in small sections and tie them and rotate it. Now fix the threads on the hairs. Now make the plaits to fix the hairs like this and it's ready. Next, tie the hair on the top like this and then rotate it and divide them into two parts. Now join the hairs on the sides like this. Now divide the hairs into two parts on the back and join all the hairs and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs on the top and then make the plaits like this. Take very small section of the hairs and join them together like this to make the plaits. Keep taking the hairs from the front one by one to give the lining effects. Follow the same process for the other side of the hairs. Join it carefully on the back and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs on the top like this and then join it as shown in the video to make the plaits. Make the U-like shape and join it like this. Make a bow-like shape on the top. Now fix it on the back and make the plaits on all the hairs together like this and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs on the sides, make a ponytail. Now using this spring hair band like this, fix the hair inside it one by one as shown in the video. Roll the hairs around it and cover the hairs and properly as we are fixing it. Follow the same step for the other side and tie it using a rubber band and it's ready. Next, we'll be making some more beautiful hairstyles. For that, you have to take the hairs on the top and then rotate it and divide it into two parts. Make the plaits and fix it like this on the sides. Now join the hairs on the back all together and make a cute ponytail. Fix the hairs and it's ready. Next, make a high ponytail, divide the hairs and make the plaits on it. Divide the hairs into two parts and then make a bow on the first part of the hair like this. Fix it on the top as shown in the video. Fix the plaited hairs together and your hairstyle will be ready. Now you can fold it upward like this by making the plaits and it's done. Thanks for watching our video.